Hi there, students. To bolt. Okay, bolt can be a verb, it can be a noun, and it can even be an adverb. Now, this word has a load of different meanings. So I probably would recommend you take some notes. Firstly, you have a bolt on a door or a window. Yeah? To bolt the door. Yeah? So make sure the doors are locked and bolted before you go to bed. Okay? So this metal bar to close a door. Draw the bolt across. Then you can have a bolt like nuts and bolts, a screw. It's like a screw but without a point, and you use it to fasten things together. The nuts and bolts. So before you speak English, you need to understand the nuts and bolts of the basic grammar in English. Okay, a bolt of lightning, a flash of lightning, a white line in the sky. Yeah, so Zeus used to throw thunderbolts at people. Yeah, he was struck by a bolt of lightning. Thunderbolts of lightning, very, very frightening. Okay, so yeah, a thunderbolt, a bolt of thunder. You can have a bolt of cloth, a roll of textile. This is a bolt. Yeah, a bolt of cloth. So I bought the whole bolt of the cloth because it was much cheaper like that. You could also actually use this for a roll of wallpaper as well. Yeah, so a draper deals in bolts of cloth. You could have a bolt, which is like a short arrow that you fire from a crossbow. A crossbow. So yeah, he shot his bolt. He acted too quickly. Or I bet you don't remember the Golden Shot, a TV program, a competition. Bernie the Bolt. Okay, this is a crossbow bolt. It's an arrow for a crossbow. Then to bolt, to go really, really quickly. So the thief made a bolt for the exit. Yeah, I bolted for the train because I was going to miss it. If we don't rush, if we don't bolt, we're going to miss this train. So time to bolt. And then you could also use this for an animal. Yeah, the rabbit bolted to run away suddenly. To shut the stable door, or to bolt the stable door, after the horse has bolted, run away. Yeah, the accountant bolted with all the money, with all the company's money. You could bolt your food to eat very quickly. If you bolt your food like that, you're going to get terrible indigestion. Yeah, okay, to bolt, to bolt the door, bolt something in position. So yeah, they stole everything that wasn't bolted to the floor. And then as a bolt, okay, a gun. Normally the piece that pushes the cartridge into the chamber is the bolt. Yeah, that's the bolt. You put it with the, it's used to put the bullet into the normally into a rifle. Yeah, and then as an adverb, he sat bolt upright. Yeah, to sit bolt upright, bolt, bolt straight, completely, absolutely, bolt upright, bolt straight. Yeah, so let me try going through those again. Okay, a bolt, a fastener, bolt the door and bolt the window. Yeah, lock it. A bolt that goes into a nut. Yeah, everything that was not bolted to the floor was stolen. The bolt of a rifle, where you used to put the cartridge in. Actually, I've forgotten a couple more meanings as well, but they're less usual. Okay, a bolt from a crossbow, a short heavy arrow from a crossbow. A bolt of lightning. Yeah, a thunderbolt. Yeah, God throwing thunderbolts at you. Um, okay, and then, so yeah, like the thunderbolt, it came as a bolt from the blue. Okay, he shot his bolt. He uh, did everything that he could, but it wasn't successful. An animal can bolt, can suddenly run away, particularly out of fear. Yeah, to attempt to escape. They bolted down the stairs. Yeah, an animal can bolt. The rabbit can bolt. You can bolt your food as well. A bolt of fabric, yeah, a roll of fabric. The shop was filled with bolts of interesting fabrics to buy. And then to bolt, a sieve, to pass a powder through a sieve. This is quite an unusual meaning, but it's bolt as well. So before you make your cake, you need to bolt your flour. You need to pass it through a sieve to make sure there are no big lumpy bits in it. Okay, so lots and lots and lots of words. Let's try them one more time then. Okay, the fastener, the metal bolt, the bolt that goes into a nut, an arrow for a crossbow, a thunderbolt of lightning, a bolt of material, a bolt of textile. Okay, he bolted to escape his creditors. Yeah, so bolt upright, completely upright, completely vertical. To bolt your food, to eat it very rapidly, to swallow your food without chewing. Yeah, to stand bolt upright, suddenly straight and unbending. Okay, so formality. Wow. I think generally I'm going to give this word a 5.5 in formality. Let's see. The bolt that you shut, 5 in formality, use anywhere. A bolt of cloth, 6 in formality. A rifle bolt, 5 in formality. He bolted his food, 4 in formality. He sat bolt upright, 6 in formality. The rabbit bolted, 5.5 in formality. A bolt of lightning, 5 in formality, maybe, yeah, 5 in formality. And I think that's probably all of it. All of them. I may have missed one or two. Okay, so what about origin? Let's see. A bolt, an arrow, the bolt of an arrow comes from a Dutch word, bolt or bolzan, a German word for an arrow, yeah, or a bolt for the door. To make a bolt for something, I think this has the idea of flying fast like an arrow, and is the origin as well. And then a bolt of cloth comes from a Middle English word bolt, meaning a roll of cloth or a roll of textile. Okay, and then this idea of to bolt, to put something through a sieve, comes from Old French bolter, meaning to sieve. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Bolt.